Hello, beautiful people. How you doing? Welcome to our online classes. And in this video, I will be solving a question under calculus 1, which is differentiation. All right, we've been out for a very long time, but we are back to give you some more content. All right. So real quick, we'll jump into the question. So the question is saying the equation of a curve is y is equals to x minus 2x squared plus 1 over x to the power 3. Alright, so the equation of a curve is y is equals to x minus 2x squared plus 1 over x to the power 3. Then they are saying we find dy dx. Okay, so if they tell you to find dy dx, they're basically telling you to differentiate it. Okay, so this is under calculus 1. You differentiate it. Okay, so now real quick, I'll show you if you haven't done differentiation ever before. It's very simple. Here's how you go about it. So if they give you an expression like 2, let's say for example 2a to the power 2. So okay, so when we differentiate this, we basically multiply the power with this whole expression. Then you bring down the power by 1, so you say that power minus 1. All right, so we multiply the whole expression by 2, which is 2 open brackets the whole expression to the power 2. Then we break down this 2 by 1, which is 2 minus 1. Okay, so this will be 2 open brackets 2 minus 1, that's 1, so which is basically 2a, which is 4 by 2a, 4a. All right, so that's basically what we are going to do in this expression. So we'll do it in parts. We'll do it in parts. So for x, we know that x is to the power 1. All right, so we get that power, we multiply it with this whole expression, which is x to the power 1 is equals to 1 open brackets x, then this 1 minus 1. All right, then say close, then x to the power 1 minus 1, which is 0 here, so x to the power 0, and we know anything raised to the power 0 is 1, so we basically have 1 multiplied by 1, which is 1. All right, so now do remember that next time when you have a variable like this, it is basically just 1 in the end. All right, so the dy dx of this expression is for x is 1. So let's do for negative 2x squared. All right, so we get negative 2x squared. So like we said, we multiply the power by the whole expression, which is 2 open brackets negative 2 x to the power 2 minus 1. All right, you close like this. Okay, from here you do 2 minus 1, which is 1, so we have 2 open brackets negative 2x to the power 1. All right, we basically don't write power 1, so here we have 2 multiplied by everything inside, which is negative 4x. All right, so dy dx of negative 2x squared is negative negative 4x. All right, okay, so we have negative 4x. All right, so let's do this last one. Might be looking as tricky as a cheater, but it's very simple. So we say 1 over x to the power 3 the differentiation of 1 over x to the power 3. So now what we do here is, we know when something is raised to the power 1, even if it's a 2 or a 3 or any integer, but what you need to know is, well, according to the laws of indices, this can be also written as x to the power negative 3. All right. If it was 2 over x to the power 3, this would have been x to the power negative 3, then everything to the power 2, which can be also written as x to the power negative 6. All right. Okay. So now back to this expression. We know that when differentiating, you multiply the power with the whole expression, which is negative 3 open bracket x to the power negative 3, then you subtract 1 to the power from the power. Okay. Then from here we say negative 3 open brackets negative 3 minus 1, which is x to the power negative 4. All right. Then when you multiply this negative 3 with everything inside, will be negative 3x to the power negative 4, which can be also written as, because of this power, we say 1 over, so since this is negative, we just put a negative here. So negative 1 over uh, over 3x to the power 4. All right. So this is dy dx for the expression 1 over x to the power 3. So we'll put it right here. 1 over 3x to the power 4. All right. So this is basically how you handle equation under differentiation with with a fraction like 1 over x to the power 3. All right. See you next time.